Hey everyone, Sussy Bear here, and today's video is on this makeup tutorial right here. So if you want your face to look like titanium with some bold eyes and some bold lips, go ahead and keep watching. Let me know what y'all would do different with this look. Maybe you would go with a more neutral eye and keep the lips, or vice versa and go for a more neutral lip and keep the eye right here. I myself love the bold on bold look. I think it's very in right now, and the whole premise behind this look is I was going a more anti-Valentine's Day look just because I already did a sort of Valentine's Day type pinkish purplish sweetie heart type of look with the bold on bold and the dark lips. Very metallic. I love it when my face looks like titanium. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below and also hit that little bell button, and that's gonna give you notifications whenever I upload. Please and thank you. This is the Instagram side. Yeah. This side is its wannabe little sister. Let me know what y'all think of this look. I've always been told never to do a bold eye and a bold lip together. Personally, I am a fan of the bold on bold look just because I've always kind of been the type of in your face person. Alright, I'm going to start with primer, and I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish. Oh, do that. Yeah, read it. And I just kind of... And now when I'm done with priming my face, I'm going to go into eyebrows. Forget to pick up stuff to make your eyebrows lay right in a pinch. Spray it on your spoolie and then brush it till your eyebrows act right. Does anybody else have two different shaped eyebrows? I think the thing I spent the most time on when doing my makeup is my actual eyebrows. So I do my eyeliner, my eyeshadow, my foundation, my lips. I do those relatively fast, but I spend a lot of time on doing my eyebrows. They'll look better once it's clean up. I literally timed myself on this, and it took me like 14 minutes. Sisters, not twins. I'm not having a good eyebrow day, but I'm having a decent eyebrow day. Small eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go in this color right here, Purity, in the Athena, Bad House Athena palette. And with this brush right here, I'm gonna put some color into my socket just to create depth in my face. I'm gonna go with Clever. Now with Jeffree Star's Beauty Killer palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Violence, and I'm just gonna go in with this brush right here. Now I'm going to do something different. Since this is too light for me to wear on my lips, I'm going to use it on my lids. And and it is a lipstick. It's Jeffree Star's First Class. I know you probably think I'm crazy because I'm using lipstick on my eyelids, but since there is a gold shadow, and if I put that on top, the liquid lipstick is going to give it a much more pigmented look. I mean, you can already tell on the camera. Look at that. So dramatic. Now in the Athena palette by Bad Habit, we're going to go back to one of my other favorite colors, Wisdom. Then we're going to go back to our crease. And since that is not a good look, you need to blend a little more. So just go back in with a blending brush. Alright, now let's put some liquid illuminator underneath our brow bone. And I just use my fingers for this. Now we're going to get some liquid illuminator and put it on our inner corner, right in our eyes. I'm going to use my fingers for this too because I don't know what brush to use. We're going to go to the NYX Duo Chromatic Twilight Tint. Oh, you guys can't see that. It's called Twilight Tint. And it's kind of like a bluish white shade. So I'm just going to go in with a tapered highlighter brush. At least that's what I think this one is. Now I'm going to go in with some bronzer, and I ran out of my good bronzer, so I'm going to use this generic Ulta brand bronzer. This is the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. And I really love this eyeliner because it has a very thin brush. And now we're going to do a wing. Now I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On eye pencil in the shade Voodoo. And I'm going to tightline with this color. Now I'm going to do my waterline with this as well. I'm also going to do the lash line. You can stop right here if you like the way this looks already, but since this I feel is like an anti-Valentine's Day look, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite colors by Jeffree Star, which is Medusa. Now to get like a teal shimmer look, I'm gonna put highlighter on top of my lipstick. I am so dumb. I'm dopey, yeah. Derpy.